Hello, my name is Elisa Garrett, and today I will be talking about the Environmental Protection Agency. So, yeah. Since the world is metaphorically and literally on fire, I wanted to work for the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. I have wanted to join the EPA since high school, but once the current president entered office, I was worried if the EPA would even still be around when I graduated. The EPA has been hit hard under the current administration, but I believe it is still a worthwhile pursuit. The EPA was established on December 2nd, 1970, in the wake of elevated public concern over pollution. The EPA's job is essentially to create a healthier and safe environment for the American people. The EPA, as well as other agencies, monitor the biological and physical conditions of the environment. They accomplish this by conducting their research either internally or with other agencies. With the data from the research, the EPA can establish environmental baselines, which allow them to measure the success or failure of pollution abatement efforts. With the cooperation of the states, the EPA, as well as the states, can set and enforce air and water standards of the state. As states expand with their own pollution efforts, they can look to the agency in regard to financial and technical assistance training. This allows states to keep pollution levels low and do their part to protect the environment. The agency also provides a variety of jobs and internships for students. The general requirements to apply for an internship include that an applicant is at least 18 years old, they are currently enrolled in a degree program at a recognized institution, or they are a recent graduate, meaning they applied within 2 years of graduating. Each internship announcement will specify more precisely who they are looking for. For example, they could say they want someone who has a background in criminal justice, ecology, or geography. Some listings might be looking for engineering students, so it would be wise to just keep looking at the listings to find one with your major, since they are constantly looking for people with different uh, educational backgrounds and different skills. If a student were to accept an internship from the EPA, they could be sent to labs or offices in Cincinnati, Ohio, Gulf Breeze, Florida, Research Triangle Park, North Carolina, Las Vegas, Nevada, Duluth, Minnesota, Athens, Georgia, or Washington, D.C. If I received an internship, I would want to go to North Carolina or Washington, D.C., but I wouldn't mind going to any of the other labs or offices. Student service contracts with the EPA offer the flexibility for full and part-time students that they require. The students would also be provided with comprehensive benefits such as a competitive salary based on training and experience, travel expenses, workers' compensation, as well as equipment and supplies. Other incentives for students taking an internship with the EPA include the chance to be a part of specialized research within the student academic studies, professional mentors, contacts with fellow scientists in various technical fields, professional training, potential career opportunities, and academic credit where applicable. Scientific or professional benefits would include real-world laboratory experience, access to cutting-edge equipment and supplies, scientific mentors, gaining greater access to scientific careers in various fields, a competitive salary, and the ability to travel in support of EPA's scientific incentives. These benefits not only help students, but people looking for a new path within their specialty. The only downside that The only downside is that interns are not seen as federal employees, so they do not get federal benefits. Regardless of these benefits, I believe getting an internship with the EPA is worthwhile. In conclusion, the Environmental Protection Agency is an amazing agency with a worthwhile goal that affects everyone. The incentives given to students are great even if you do not get an internship that pays. The EPA has a variety of jobs for people of many different educational backgrounds, which allows students to experience many different opportunities that might interest them. So everyone should at least take a look to see what they offer. Thank you for your time.